Speaking of the future, how about a Matrix-style battery tech? I don't know. Why did they say Matrix style? Well, because you're plugged in. Oh, yeah, because the human is generating the
Body
power.
heat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so in this case, they figured out a wearable device that will convert your body temperature into actual electricity. Now, not a lot of electricity, but electricity nonetheless. This thing sticks to you, and the researchers that put this together at the University of Colorado Boulder, and this will fit maybe as a bracelet eventually. And the goal here is to create a wearable at some point that could be body temperature powered. At the moment, the actual effectiveness of this is around, it's in here somewhere. What is it like?
You say it was 5 volts?
5 volts for a device that size. It's like, but I remember seeing 1 volt per, I don't know where it is. 1 volt of energy for every square centimeter of skin space.
Oh.
So the more skin space, the more volts, and so on. And of course, I was joking around saying, well, you're going to be exhausted. You wear this thing. I don't have that many volts to give up over here.
No, you're using maximum voltage.
Which is so dumb, obviously, because your body heat, that's there. That's freebie. That's there anyway.
Uh-huh.
So it is kind of cool. Whenever you use a battery, you're depleting that battery and eventually will need to replace it. The nice thing about our thermoelectric device is that you can wear it and it provides you with constant power. I mean, it's a cool idea, but it's obviously not ready for prime time.
Yeah.
But it's a huge complaint I have about wearables and smartwatches, battery life. Maybe the initial phase would just be contributing some amount of charge in order to extend battery life rather than to pull off the full charge. I don't know.
Or what if like it charges your phone, like very minimally, if you are in a tight
I don't
line?
think that volt per centimeter is going to do very much for you, Will.
Well, one can dream, right?
You can dream.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're fully allowed to do such a thing.